In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to email thread in Gmail. This is especially useful when you have an ongoing conversation and need to loop in a teammate, colleague, or friend so they can see the full discussion. Let's walk through the steps. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Locate the email thread you want to share. An email thread is simply a group of related emails that all belong to the same conversation. Click on the email thread to open it. This will display all messages that are part of that conversation. Next, look at the toolbar above the emails and find the More Options button, represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu with additional actions. From the menu, select Forward All. This option allows you to forward the entire email conversation, including all previous messages, to a new recipient. Once you click Forward All, a new Email Compose window will open. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to add to the conversation. If you're adding more than one person, simply separate each email address with a comma. Before sending, it's a good idea to add a short message at the top of the email. This gives the new recipient some context about why they're being included and what the conversation is about. When you're ready, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to an email thread in Gmail by forwarding the entire conversation. This method ensures the new recipient has full visibility into past messages and can quickly get up to speed. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped make your email communication easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and productivity tips.